Hello everyone and welcome back to the Crypto for another video. Alright, so the rest of the market is looking pretty down, drowsy, call it a red day, certainly not a blood day. However, when things are not going according to your plan, you have to always see what goes on with BTC. Because ultimately guys, when it comes down to the whole meme space, BTC has got a huge impact on the meme space. What I mean by that is the second BTC goes up by 10%, it would drag the rest of the meme space to go up by maybe 15, 20, 30%, depending on its popularity, also depending on its appeal. However, when we see BTC hovering around about $63,000, it looks like potentially BTC could be heading its way back down to around about this level. This level here is around about $61,000, so that means potentially we should be able to, well, not potentially, most likely we will see a huge dump within the meme space. Forget about all the ones that you see here on the top guys, because these ones have been short-term pumps, but ultimately it will drop back down. But if you do look at the rest of the space, we're not so great at the minute. However, this could all change once BTC flip the $64,000 area to around about 70. In fact, I'll go as far as to say that once BTC decides to pump its way up, that would be the best time to get in for a lot of these memes. But you're probably asking, what about your current positions right now? With your positions right now, I would just hold. Do not add anything just as of yet, because I can still see more downside for BTC. Then ultimately it means we can see more downside coming from all of the meme. Like just take a look at Chloe for example. Chloe, on the grand scheme of things, is still very, very bullish. I reckon we can still hit more than $1 million market cap. In fact, if you take a look at the market cap, it's at $378,000. I reckon we can still easily do more than 100x. And even more than 1000x. But until then, we need to find a good position for Chloe. That's if you're not already in Chloe. If you're already in Chloe, guys, just keep hodling. Just keep hodling, that is for sure. When BTC pull back more, then yes, start loading up around about here and even much further lower if in case we go down much more lower. Now remember, when BTC decides to go down by 5-6%, then alts would most likely go down by 20, 30, 40%. So depending on which memes you're holding, let's say for example Success Kid, we do a quick analytical view on Success Kid. Alright, so we're still looking not too shabby actually. We've gone all the way back down to this area where we've originally took trades from my past couple of months on Success Kid, and you would have been in mega profits. I always take profits, and I always tell my viewers to take at least partial profits or 50% of your profits, because I think, and if we do, then we can reuse the profit which we gain from roundabout up here, and we can reload somewhere around about down here. But the good thing about Success Kid in general is very robust. It's not ones that has like huge fluctuation. So even when BTC decides to head back down towards the $60,000, we could see slightly lower price for Success Kid. Not too low, I reckon. We should be headed back down somewhere around about here, and that would be the perfect accumulation area, which would be literally right down here. And then let's drag this line where I reckon we could potentially fall, and that would be the perfect area to stock up some more of your Success Kid. So as opposed to in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to prepare yourself for whenever BTC decides to drop. So how many percent do we need to see for BTC to hit around about that $61,000? And that's around about 3.65%-ish, around about that sort of mark. But if we take a look at any other meme, now let's take a look at Puss in Boots, for instance, because I'm still kind of bullish on the long haul for Puss in Boots. And as we can see, Puss in Boots has obviously been hugely affected by BTC price action. However, if we do come back down to these sort of levels, which will be the next lows, that means we will need to see another from the current price. From the current price from here all the way back down to there, around about 55% move to the downside. So you see, guys, you have to always see what goes on with BTC and how that impact on the meme or the coins that you are trading with. So yes, so it looks like we're going to have a huge impact yet on the meme space. The question is, which coins are you holding? So I could do a rapid fire video in terms of how to best protect yourself for when BTC drops down to $61,000. Even if we take a look at Brett, for instance, Brett is also following in the same trajectory as BTC, and as we can see, guys, check this out, we should definitely be able to hit back down to this level right here. If we do see a further capitulation, this level here would be the next level to keep an eye on, but that solely depends, of course, what BTC does. But I reckon BTC still got more room to the downside, so that means it will take Brent all the way back down to these levels down here. Now, in terms of the percent in drop, we should be expecting around about 12%. Partially reason why, because one, the market cap is already really high, there's a lot of liquidity in this meme, very popular. So yeah, so it's not as bad as Puss in Boots. Success Kid is looking pretty decent as well, like overall. Let's take a look what's happening with Kitty. I'm still exceedingly bullish when it comes down to Kitty. The market cap is currently at 3.83 million. And yes, see guys, exactly what I said. When it comes down to Bitcoin movements, it just has the same effect on the rest of the space, but has even more devastating effect on the meme space. So as you can imagine, a lot of people might be scared from their position, or they just don't know what to do. I would say just hold tight. If you haven't got any more money to spare, then in that case, guys, hodl. The whole point of hodling is the fact that you expect a much larger price for the future, and not immediately, unless if you try to flip your Ethereums or your Solanas like 2x, 3x because you're trading the meme coins. But yeah, if you take a look at Kitty, for instance, again, it's got quite decent liquidity. The market cap is quite high. Well, not that high, it's still low, but it's not as bad as Puss in Boots in it, or the other memes that's less than 1 million, and we should be expecting around about 16% drop for potential entry. So guys, so there you have it. It's quite easy once you do compare BTC against meme in order for you to watch out certain spaces. If we take a look at Bird Dog, again, I'm super bullish on this one as well. However, I'm also expecting a potential further drop for Bird Dog. If we take a look at the charts, okay, so we're not doing too bad, we're holding up pretty well. Maybe because there's been more influx of holders, maybe not. Holders currently around about just above 9,000 holders. Yeah, this still has a potential of going a little bit further down. We could even see a wick back into this level right over here, but for the meantime, I would hold off. Even myself, I've been trading for a long time now. Whenever I see Bitcoin in this shape, like as if we were about to head down, then typically I stay out of the memes. If I'm already holding memes, I'll just hold until I see another buying opportunity. It doesn't want to load up. I need to go check my internet. Oh, here it is. Okay, so if you do see a further capitulation from BTC, then yes, I reckon the rest of the space will most certainly be affected. AMC has done pretty well actually over the past few weeks, but if we take a look at what's going on with AMC on Sol, we are also dropping much further down. And guys, I'll give you one pro tip. That is essentially when we do drop, this could be the area here of entry. If we take a look at any other given random coins, Okay, let's say TED. TED, I'm super bullish on. I reckon we're gonna hit the $1 million market cap very soon because we'll be doing quite well. Okay, so even with TED, if we don't hold this level where we're currently at right now, we should be expecting much further drop, and if we do, this will be the area to add more to my bags. But anyway guys, just want to show you that it's not the end of the world when it comes down to meme. We just need to pay attention to what goes on with BTC in order for us to remain safe, especially with our trades, and most importantly, only trade what you can afford to lose. This is not financial advice, because if we see a much further dip for BTC, it will have a crazy impact on the rest of the meme space. In fact, it could be even a bloodshed, depending on which memes that you're holding, whether it has a low market cap and low holders. Hard and no liquidity, yes, those are the ones that tends to be affected the worst, like more than 50-60% move to the downside. But anyway guys, I'm going to leave it here. If you find my videos useful and informative, then guys, do me a favor, give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notifications to be updated for all my latest contents and videos. If you haven't subscribe to me right over here, then smash that notification right up here so you can update for all my latest videos like these here for instance. And go check out my last few videos, and hopefully I will see you all in the next one.